Real hot girl shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this installed, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back. So today is going to be about this beautiful hair from Miss Gaga. You guys, this is the same hair that I had in my hair for my birthday, so I will link that so y'all can go see in that hair. But all in all, I'm just going to be installing this quick closure wig. No glue, no gel, no nothing. So keep watching. I just want to say, prior to me braiding, quote unquote, my hair, my cycle hit, and yeah, this is all I can do, so it's gonna have to work. Okay guys, like I said before, this is the hair I'm going to be using. The bundles are from Miss Gaga. You guys should go check them out. I think they have really good hair for a decent price. And I did buy this closure from my local beauty master. I mean, it looks crazy right now, I know, but as you guys will keep watching the video, you will see how I blend it and how well it really just goes together. So right now, I'm just, measuring out where I want to lay my closure, how I want to lay my closure, because at this moment, y'all, I didn't know if I wanted to glue it, sew it, glueless method. Like, I didn't know what I wanted to do. So yeah, keep watching. Okay, as y'all can see, I did choose to go with the Ghost Bond glue. But let me tell y'all, I think my glue dried out, which is why this install turned into a glueless install eventually, because it just was not working out for me. Like, I thought I did the same steps that I do for everything, but y'all, like, this part was a waste of time. But I just left this clip in so you guys can see like my mistakes and literally like what I went through trying to apply this glue in my closure. But I should have knew something was wrong. Like, I don't know, this whole process, I thought it was gonna be cool, but I feel like I knew it wasn't gonna be cool when I was like, dang, I don't have a blow dryer, so I gotta fan it with my hand. It was just a hot mess at first, okay y'all, but your girl fixed it. We still cute. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned. So y'all, I'm trying to adjust this wig, and then I'm feeling places, and I'm like, wow, this part is not even laid down. So it literally peeled right off. So I'm sitting there like, what the heck to do? And this is what I came up with. I literally found my headband, and I started sewing that band onto my closure. This is the way I do, well, at least one of the glueless methods, because first of all, my wig is like very, very, very full. So it's kind of heavy, so it slides back. So I can't just like keep my wig on there, because again, it slides back. It's a little big. So it would really not stay on my head if I didn't have a band or some type of clips in it. So yeah, I'm just gonna sew this band on my closure. If you guys want a detailed video of that, let me know. But this is literally what I'm doing. I'm showing y'all the whole process of me like fixing everything that I did wrong. So yeah, keep watching and stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the rest of the video. So before I actually put the wig on, I'm going to clean my forehead with alcohol, and this is going to remove all of that glue, y'all. Like, one thing I can say is, if you're taking off your glue the right way, it should really just like roll off exactly how mine is going to look in a minute. It should turn like super, super white, and it should just roll right off. You shouldn't lose no edges or none of that, unless you are being like super rough, or, you know, not really even paying attention to your edges for real. But I'm just going to continue scrubbing that off, comb the rest out, and begin to apply the wig. Now, when I put this wig on, I was like, yo, this closure is not going to match. Like, y'all was so heated, because when I did buy this closure, I was not looking for this inch. I can't think if I got a 12 or 14 inch, but I wanted something 16 inches or longer. And I'm just like, okay, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm just gonna have to take it back off and make it a U-part wig. So, like, I was just trying to really get this wig together, because I only wore this hair once and I wanted to wear it again. Like, so I'm just really gonna sit here. Y'all gonna see me like basically try to get this wig together, honey. And guess what? We're gonna get it together. So I'm just gonna take my hot comb it back, so I can start cutting this lace off and actually like trying to blend and lay the closure. So now we're starting to get into the customizing part, whereas, you know, where I want my part to be, how far I want my wig to sit up on my head. You know, just things like that. Just the little things to tie the wig all together. So yeah, I'm going to go in and basically straighten up my part, pull out some baby hairs, and, you know, get into this laying process. If you guys can't already tell, like, I'm a stickler about a perfect part, and 9 times out of 10 I still feel like my part isn't perfect, even though it may look perfect to another person. But I just feel like I will always be insecure about my parts, even if they're like stupid straight, but whatever. So yeah, I'm basically like pressing my part in, if that makes any sense, if y'all get what I'm saying. Like, I'm trying to make sure that part is becoming defined, because I do want a nice middle part. One thing I can say about this closure, honey, that party space is amazing. So yeah, I'm going to try to pull out some baby hair, y'all. I didn't know if I wanted baby hair or not, but I was like, why not? I'm just giving it a little something. But I stopped even trying with the baby hair, because this closure was still like not doing what it was, not giving me the vision, y'all. So like, before I even attempted to go further with cutting and laying the baby hairs, I actually stopped this whole process, went to go get my spray bottle, and like wet my whole head, because it was not doing it for me. I needed to see like the finished product before I can actually like get into it. But yeah, the closure is pretty nice. Like, it's pretty nice. If I remember the name of that closure, I will leave it. But don't sleep on Beauty Master, okay, y'all? Do y'all see how just water can blend that closure with these bundles? Like, amazing. I was so speechless, because y'all was gonna be so upset that I spent money on this and then it still didn't blend. But it actually blends pretty well, and I love when the curl like dries but still look wet. So like, the curls don't really draw up too much unless you just playing with it a lot. But I really do love this closure. I love this hair. I love this wig, this install. Yes, I did make this install. And, well, not install. Yes, I did make this wig myself. You guys can check out my business handles down in my description, so check that out. I can ship wigs. You can buy my old wigs, you know, whatever. But yeah, so now I can see what I really want to do with my wig now that everything is laid. Okay, honey, laid, period. Do y'all see that? Period. Okay, y'all, so that wasn't enough for me. Of course, I had to go in with my tweezers and pluck this part out some more, y'all, because it wasn't giving me the realness that I was looking for, okay? And I know I probably still can go back after this video and like pluck out some more, but it looks way better than it did already, and it still looked good. And mind y'all, I didn't bleach these knots or anything. Like, no bleach knots. I didn't do anything but slap this closure on this U-part wig, okay? That's all I did. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and continue plucking the part to my liking and finish styling this unit. Okay, so the type of baby hairs I decided to go with today for this unit is really going to be something light. I didn't want to do too much because it is curly hair. Like, it doesn't need much to make it look amazing. So yeah, I literally just cut out very, very thin pieces of baby hairs, which I really like this better. I don't know. If y'all saw my old lace closure wig install, like totally glueless or whatever, I pretty much did the same thing on that video. So I'll link that one too. You guys can check that out in the eye above. But yeah, I just really love this hair. Like, I really do. So you guys keep watching. Watch me lay these little baby hairs really quick. And yeah, I will see you guys towards the end of the video. Okay guys, I re-wet this hair one last time to give it a very, very crisp, clean look. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, which is your favorite part? Leave some nice suggestions. Like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers, guys. We are growing. Road to 600, almost 700. So let's get it, y'all. See y'all later.
Real hot girl shit.